I film it every time. I love it. I have a big boy car. It's not going very far. Oh, there it goes. Ooh. I'm probably going to hit the rail a lot because I'm one-handed. Woohoo! But such a lovely scenic ride. I'm zigzagging on purpose. Converter's kicking in. Smell that deep. Oh, we've stopped. Nice sunny morning it is. Crisp in the air. And look, these are all the cars that they could put on but haven't. So they're only running one track. Service d'excellence, location de voiture, Avis, sponsor of the ride, because of course Disney like to sponsor their rides. Whee! Or we could do 220, but then we've got to do 180. Look at that. Voitures Premium. Paysage Campagnard. I hope I'm not butchering these pronunciations. I can hear a million splashes of colour in the background. Agri-future, it's like agriculture of the future. That is one of my companions, one of my compatriots, if you will. Elizabeth. She's a vegan. Don't talk about that. Now we have the extremely long unload process coming up just under this bridge. The people in front of me have just stopped. Creeping round the corner. I've been stopped. No. You used to be able to reverse these cars, but they've changed the system out so they can remotely stop you and stuff. You can't reverse them anymore. They used to quickly pump the pedal and then they would reverse. It says do not bump car ahead. You can't. Because look, it's got a proximity sensor. Although you really can smell the diesel. I love the smell of diesel, I really do. I know a lot of people don't, but I don't know. It's nice, it's pleasant. Oh, we're allowed to move again.
Prepare to stop. Do not bump the car ahead. Once you have reached the unload area, please remain seated until the car behind you has parked.
My companions do not get to unload at the same time as me.
Subscribe to Real Review UK.